Hi, I'm Michelle Dietrich, coming to you from Pretty Snow Studio in New York City. Today, our beauty topic is how to use a hair primer. A lot of people are like, what is a hair primer? Pretty much, if you think of a skin primer or even gesso on a canvas, it is a product that will help fill in any open spots or possible broken areas. So a hair primer generally has silicone of some sort in it, which helps coat each strand and give a smoother finish to the entirety of your hair once you have applied it and styled it properly. So hair primers vary in their technique and application. Some require you put them on wet, while others are meant to be used dry with heat or whatnot. So make sure you read the instructions. The key is that you're going to apply it thoroughly throughout your hair, starting at the ends, which tend to be the most damaged. So I'm just going to use a little on our model Nicole, just to give a brief demonstration of how quickly and smoothly it can help the appearance. So when a painter gessos a canvas, it's in preparation for the paint. It helps fill in any grooves or unevenness. The same goes with makeup primer as well as hair primer. So you can see it gives a nice sheen to the hair, to Nicole's hair, to anyone's hair, versus, can you see the difference? All right, well, I hope that's helpful. Today I've shown you how to use a hair primer, and my name is Michelle Dietrich. Thanks for joining me.